Learn how to attract younger women, and keep them. Attracting and maintaining a healthy, fulfilling relationship with someone younger is not fundamentally different from any other kind of relationship. It's important to remember that age should not be the primary focus when building a connection with someone. What's most vital is finding a person who shares your interests, values, and emotional compatibility. Here are some tips to help you attract younger women and sustain a healthy relationship. Be yourself. Authenticity is attractive. Don't pretend to be someone you're not or try to act younger than you are. Be confident in your own skin and embrace your age and life experiences. Common interests. Focus on shared interests and activities. Discover hobbies and pursuits that both of you enjoy and can engage in together. This will help build a strong connection. Communication. Open and honest communication is crucial. Be a good listener, and take the time to understand her perspective. Engage in meaningful conversations and express your thoughts and feelings as well. Respect boundaries. Respect her boundaries and personal choices. Everyone has their own comfort zones and limits, and it's important to acknowledge and honor them. Embrace new experiences. Be open to new experiences and adapt to change. You can introduce her to some of your interests and experiences, and she can introduce you to hers. It's an opportunity for personal growth for both. Stay active and healthy. Take care of your physical and mental health. Staying active and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can make you feel and appear more vibrant, which can be attractive to younger partners. Support her goals. Encourage her to pursue her goals and aspirations, just as you would with someone your own age. Be supportive and help her achieve her dreams. Maturity and stability. Many younger people are attracted to older partners because of their maturity and stability. Show emotional intelligence, and be a source of stability in her life. Age is just a number. Remember that age is just a number. Love and connection transcend age differences. What's more important is the quality of the relationship and how will you complement each other's lives. Mutual respect. Treat each other with respect and kindness. A successful relationship, regardless of age differences, is built on mutual respect, trust, and emotional connection. Family and friends. Be prepared to introduce each other to your friends and family, and be accepting of their reactions and concerns. Learn and grow together. A relationship is a journey of growth. Embrace the opportunity to learn from each other and grow together as individuals and as a couple. Remember that each person is unique, and what works in one relationship may not work in another. The key to attracting and maintaining a fulfilling relationship with a younger woman is based on mutual respect, trust, emotional connection, and shared values. Age should not be a barrier to finding happiness and love.